Here, give Bobby one.
Yay! Good
Give
job,
Audrey one.
buddy.
Give Audrey one. Give Audrey a carrot. Audrey, go get a carrot. Look. Right
Ty, who's coming tonight?
Santa Claus.
Have you been good? Ty, what's Santa say?
Oh.
What's he say? Ty.
No.
What does Santa say? What do the reindeer say? What do the deer say? Those are for Santa.
All right.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. We don't need to feed all the reindeer.
Those are for the reindeer.
No.
All right, you ready to go night-night?
Daddy,
Yeah, let's go. Come on. Yes.
This is the real side of Ty.
Let's go give him.
Help me. Help me. Save me, please.
Santa's not going to come for you, Ty, if you're bad.
Go give Uncle Alex a hug night-night. Let's go. Come on. Go give him a hug. Sticking out that lip. Come on here, buddy. Give me a hug. Is that something for Daddy?
He went.
Give Mommy a hug.
No more.
That's for reindeer.
That is for the reindeer.
That's for Santa.
Come on.
I love you. Night
Let's
night.
go. Give Uncle Jesse.
Uncle Jesse.
I love you.
Give Jesse a hug. Is that your Jesse?
I love you.
Where did Albie go?
You be good, Ty. Go to sleep so Santa will come.
Say night night, Ty.
He's got to go tell Albie night-night.